This is Fred Sanchez with Mariachi Clothing Company, and today we're going to do a very quick violin case review, which is on my favorite case, the Pedi Night Flash in the color red. So here is the Pedi Night Flash. This is a case that I really like. For one, the first thing that I notice about it is the color. It's in my favorite color, red. We're going to get to that in a second, and you will notice the beauty of its color. But it comes with a dust cover that you will probably end up never using, just because if you buy a nice case like this, you will very likely be a violinist that uses your violin all the time. One of my favorite things about this is that, for one, handle at the top. It's a very balanced case. So has a little feet right here. You can't really tell, but it has reflective. It's called the Night Flash because it's made specifically for people for safety. So it has reflective strips right here. It comes with a backpack straps, which are located actually over here. So it already includes the backpack straps, which are also reflective. It has a moderate amount of splash proofiness, and has a gigantic bag down here for music, accessories, for your cell phone, for everything that you could need. It's right here in the back. One of the things that I really like about this, it's very elegant. You can see the color. For me, first thing that I noticed when I saw it at the NAM 2 or 3 years ago, when I saw the company that makes these cases, I fell in love with the color. But once I actually started checking out the interior, I realized how nice of a case it actually was. So I'm going to open it for you guys to check out. So it has the standard that a lot of cases have, which is the magnetic little things, little silica gel packets. So you can see right here that it's very elegant. It's made with micro suede. So it's not real gamuza, it's not real suede, it's not made with animal products. I think this is also synthetic leather, although it does smell very leathery, but I'm pretty sure synthetic leather. It comes with this, and I forget what's in this little pouch. Oh yes, so it comes with a little dust cover for your instrument as well. Again, very elegant. I'm going to fold this to make sure that, here we go. So this way. What does it have? Oh, it also has a shoulder. Ooh, has a shoulder strap in the color red. I hadn't even noticed. I haven't even opened that on mine. It does come, with depending on where you live, it comes with little humidifier cotton that you stick in here. Dampen it. You put it in here if you live in dry climate. If you're in very humid climate like San Diego, you can open this up and put the dehumidifier silica gel balls. I personally don't use it. One of the things that this case lacks, though, which I have not met a single musician that actually uses or has any purpose for a hygrometer. I know some, violinists with higher end violins, it will make a huge difference to them. It doesn't come with a hygrometer or hydrometer. I don't know if it's hydro or hygrometer. It doesn't come with that thing. It comes with the little Velcro strap to secure your instrument. One thing that I really like is right here, that's more silica gel, the little pockets, they come with an elastic that actually fits very snugly. I have, and on my violin, I have my rosin right here. I have an Andrea solo rosin that fits perfectly here. On this other one, it also has a little silica gel packet. The pocket is very spacious, and this pocket on mine, I have this company also makes a fantastic, it's a beautiful super light carbon fiber shoulder rest with titanium legs that I have in this. I have my little rag. I have a buffer, a nail buffer, because I'm actually an armonia player, and a lot of times I get to my class and I haven't played violin in a while, and my nails are too long, so I end up having to file them. And I also have a buffer here, have my little rag. What else do I have? I think I might have a nail clipper. So it's very comfortable, very roomy. Another thing that I really like that this has is that the shoulder holders. You know, you don't need to do that, buddy. It's okay. Click. For me, that's not just entertaining, but that's helps it, you know, and I can hear when the bow is safe and secured. Has a little pillow right here, you know, to keep also your violin, you know, just keeps it even more, it's even plusher. So it's very, not only elegant, you know, the trim, the white thread on black synthetic, might be leather, but I'm pretty sure it's synthetic leather. It's really elegant, you know, their logo. It's just a very, very nice violin case. One of the things that you notice is that I opened it. This one, what most people don't notice. I opened it and it doesn't tip over. It's bottom heavy, so when you open it, your instrument is safe. Most of the cases in the market, you open it and your case does bam, and your instrument topples over. Especially because they have the bag for accessories and for music and books and all that stuff. They have it on this side. So when you open your violin case, all the weight is here, knocks your instrument over. In the case of this, of the Pedi case, it's bottom heavy. So your instrument, you know, you can see right here, I don't have my instrument, which would actually bring the weight a little bit more on the case. So it would actually set it down a little bit better. But, you know, it's a fantastic case. It's not an expensive case. You know, it's in the mid 200s. I don't remember the exact price, but it's a very elegant, very nice case. Also splash proof, as I mentioned earlier. Very, very light case. So if you're looking for a case, I highly recommend this. Very durable. Has, you know, the shoulder strap. Things comes with already comes with your own luggage, name info card. So it's already included. I haven't noticed, or I haven't seen too many cases that come with that. It has a bunch of little extra details that I think make this case very special. I hope that you liked our review, or just, you know, even our quick, you know, unboxing video of this type of case, so you get an idea of what to expect if you ever buy a case. And again, highly, highly recommend it. This is my favorite case. I tried a lot of cases at the NAMM 2 or 3 years ago, and I fell in love with this company and the products that they have. The distributors also have the Arcus bows, which I will be doing a review video in the future. It is a phenomenal, super light carbon fiber. And it's not carbon fiber, there's another word for it. It's not braided carbon, it's a different type of carbon. It's just like carbon sheets. It almost looks like graphite, and it weighs nothing. Their heaviest bows, I believe, are 53 grams, which they're super light. It's almost like air bowing when you play them. They are amazing bows. Then they carry that line. So the distributor carries a bunch of very, very nice accessories for violins. So again, I hope you like the review or the quick unboxing. If you did, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, tell your friends about it, share us, hit the notification and smack that notification bell so you can get all the newest videos. And very soon you will be seeing more reviews, and leave us a comment below. Most importantly, send us a message on Instagram, on Facebook, or here on YouTube or wherever you're watching this. Leave us a comment, let us know whether you enjoyed this type of review or this short video. If you didn't enjoy it, what would you like to see? If you did enjoy it, we'll make more for different types of cases, for strings, for things like that. Or what would you like to see? We will be doing some instructionals in the future about different things so people understand mariachi trajes better, fabric types, botonaduras, belt types, different in types of piteados and things like that. But what do you want to see? We are here to make content for you, so let us know. Once again, subscribe and have an awesome day. Continue making mariachi music with love, respect, passion, and dignity.